thanks for coming back. So today I'm going to be opening up Tribe Beauty Box. This is actually a favorite of mine. I just subscribed to it a few months back, so this is my second Tribe. I actually also got the Ultra Tribe up there, and this is a bi-monthly subscription, so you get it every other month. It runs $34.99. It's plus tax, so it came out to about $36.49 for me, and usually includes about 5 full-sized items. They actually also won an award for Best Canadian Beauty Subscription, so that's pretty epic. Yes, it's from Canada, if I forgot to mention. Right there, it has all their social media information, a list of everything included in the box, a brief description as to what it does and how to use it, and the cost. Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Well, my face is all nice and clean, so it's a little dropper. Oh wow, it smells really good. It's not oily at all. I thought it would be oily. It feels a little tacky though. I like this. The rose scent is very mild. It just smells really good. And this runs $26. Yeah, it's definitely a lightweight and non-greasy. So I am pleasantly pleased with this. Wander Beauty. And this is a dive-in moisturizer. And this runs $36. And it's 72-hour hydration. I don't know why I would need 72 hours. There's a seal. Feels great, actually. I'm like, oh, it's not greasy at all. Even though there is a little bit of a shine on my face, it doesn't feel greasy. My face feels very, very loved right now. So I am very happy. It's a set of crown brushes. There they are. It's a 4-piece brow and lash groomer, oval concealer brush, chisel fluff, precision details bullet shape, $19. We have a palette, and this is by Iby Beauty City Limits. I love how the light's reflecting on it, and this runs $20. There is a mirror included. I'm just going to bend that over. And that is the full palette. It's 12 shades in all. Road Trip, Nightfall, whoa, Headliner, Drop Base, whoa, Glamping, Fire and Ice, whoa, Playlist, it's a nice pink, VIP, Silent Disco, Light Show, ooh, Dance Party, Backstage. So those are all the colors in the palette. This is like the first time I've had like a palette with smaller pans. Interesting, interesting. Glamping, and this is such a beautiful soft pink. I am a fan of Iby Beauty. I deepened in the color with Silent Disco right there. And that's without it. This is just with glamping. Blending perfectly together. So I am very excited. So I went in with VIP and it kind of just blends in like seamlessly with the other two colors. It's actually quite bizarre because I know there are 3 different shades. And that's what it looks like. That's without it. I went over everything with Nightfall, just a light dusting, and it just gives it like a beautiful shimmer. I decided to line my eyes. I was like, why use one when I can use 3? It's still muted though, so unless you were paying attention, you really wouldn't see it. I finished it up and this is how I'm looking so far. Nice, right? I think so too. Sinfully Angelic, and it's a diamond lip gloss. It's $18. Oh wow, look at that. That is so pretty. That is absolutely beautiful. I love this package. Looks like, put you right there. Ooh, that looks really nice. It's like a nice pink too. Of course my lips are dry, they're always dry. Can't say this is my favorite color. I really don't like it this light. And what's with the lip gloss not glossing? It's just making my lips pink. Time for some lip liner. Absolutely. That was everything in the box. The grand total came to $119, and I think it's amazing. Goodbye.